We are part of something greater, and our actions ripple through the lives of others. Even the smallest gesture can ignite a spark of change. Connections weave the threads that give meaning and purpose. Like a symphony of hearts, they resonate with a power unparalleled. For it is through connections that we discover the profound beauty of shared experiences, the solace in a gentle touch, and the strength in unity. Connections are the bridges that span the gaps between souls, transcending barriers of time, distance, and circumstance. They remind us that we are not alone, that our stories are intertwined with others, and that together we can create a masterpiece of compassion and understanding. In a world that often feels fragmented and disconnected, it is the necessity of connections that becomes ever more apparent. They are the lifelines that anchor us during turbulent times, the beacons of hope that guide us through the darkest of nights. Through connections, we find empathy, compassion, and the courage to stand united in the face of adversity. They remind us that we are part of something greater, that our actions ripple through the lives of others, and that even the smallest gesture can ignite a spark of change. But connections are not mere happenstance. They require intention, vulnerability, and open hearts. To forge deep connections, we must be willing to lower our walls, to listen with empathy, and to embrace the diversity that colors our human tapestry. In a world that often values individualism and self-reliance, we must remember the transformative power of connections. They nurture our souls, ignite our passions, and remind us of our shared humanity. They remind us that no matter how different our paths may be, there is an invisible thread that binds us all together. So let us cherish the connections that grace our lives. Let us nurture them, foster them, and celebrate them. For it is in the embrace of genuine connections that we unlock the true potential of our existence. Together, we can create a world where love, understanding, and unity prevail. Let us build bridges, not walls, and let our connections be the foundation upon which we build a brighter tomorrow.